Morning everyone, and I am Melody and I will be presenting the Lumad groups in Mindanao. So here we go, watch and learn.
Lumad are one of the indigenous people in Mindanao who is neither Islamized nor Christianized or are only recently converted to Christianity. They encompass several ethno-linguistic like the Manobo. They are one of the largest Lumad group that is spread across Agusan, Bukidnon, Davao, and Cotabato region. The Manobo primary source of life is predominantly agrarian, involving subsistence farming of crops like rice and corn, supplemented by hunting and farming and gathering, and other activities such as abaca farming, working as laborer, or selling forest product like honey, fishing and collecting shellfish from rivers and lakes are also common practices. The Datu, who lead communities and disputes. Next is the Bagobo. The Bagobo way of life is characterized by traditional agriculture, hunting, and fishing with a social structure led by regional datus. They are known for intricate craftsmanship, particular in weaving and metalworks. In a rich cultural and spiritual life, deeply connected to nature and an ancestral spirit, their subsistence involved around Sweden farming of rice, corn, and other crops. They have distinct ritual tied to agriculture and life. Here is one of the example of the tribal song of the Bagobo.
Dukot lang ganda ni To kurog na pidalo Ating lumunod si Kanding Hidang ka, tigo, hidang ka Madita to manubo Dinita buhok tanan Madita to gawi danda
Next is the Tibuli. The Tibuli way of life is a blend of traditional practices and modern influences, centered on farming, fishing, and rich cultural traditions. They practice Sweden slash and burn agriculture, cultivating rice and other crops, while also fishing and hunting for sustenance. Social structure is based on leadership by Adatu, and their lives are deeply intertwined with intricate crafts, particularly the weaving of tinala clothes, and is spiritual guided by animistic belief and rituals. And the last one is the Mandaya. The Mandaya way of life is characterized by a strong connection to their land and community, with a traditional economy based on shifting agriculture, fishing, and hunting. They are known for their rich culture, which includes intricate dagmay weaving, unique musical traditions, and a system of communal labor. Their society is organized around a council of elders with historical leadership by Bagani warriors, and their spiritual beliefs blend animistic traditions with relevance for nature and supreme being. Lumad in the Philippines faces issues including loss of ancestral lands, displacement, cultural erosion, and violence. These are often due to land grabbing, militarization, and impact of large-scale projects like mining and logging. Specific problems includes extrajudicial killing, threats to indigenous schools, and harassment of indigenous rights defenders. As a student, we can advocate for the LUMAG by raising awareness through social media and campus groups, supporting LUMAD lead organizations, donating relevant causes, and engaging with authorities to demand justice for land rights and education. You can educate yourself and others about the issues facing LUMAD people, such as land grabbing, militarization, and the closure of schools.